So today I'm going to be showing you guys what my kids eat in a day. I get a lot of questions asking that question, and we are a homeschooling family, so my kids eat all of their meals at home, prepared by me mostly. So as you can see, this morning we are having a quick breakfast. These are just frozen toaster waffles with a banana. Usually I'll put peanut butter on them, but they all requested that we do syrup this morning. So I buy the real maple syrup from Costco. So it's actually, you know, pure maple syrup. So that is what they are having for breakfast. And you can tell it's a pretty large breakfast. I like my kids to start the day off nice and full, so that we can get a lot of homeschooling done before they're crying for lunch. And if I just give them like cereal, it just does not sit with them long. So that's what they're having for breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy seeing what my kids eat in a day. I've said this before, but I just want to remind you guys that this is just what my kids eat. I'm just here to give you ideas. I do believe that my kids eat healthier than the general population of children, but we do not subscribe to any strict methodology of eating. So that's what they're having along with breakfast. They also will get their multivitamin, and then 2 of my kids have to take allergy medicine, so we will also be distributing the Claritin, but I always give them their vitamins in the morning. So another thing that my kids do every morning is fill up their reusable water bottles. This just makes them stay hydrated and not use a million glasses a day. So we do all of these like stainless steel water bottles even when we're home and we're not going anywhere. So he just filled up his water, but they do that every morning. And then when they have sports in the evening, then they bring their water with them. So that's just how we do hydration in our house. I get asked a lot, do my kids drink like milk or juice or anything like that? And the answer to both of those questions is no. So here's another one. They only really do water and the occasional lemonade or like Sprite if we're eating out, but on a daily basis, they really just drink water because that's all we drink. So that is another part of what they do have in the morning. So the kids are finishing up some of their morning schoolwork and they are gonna have a snack. These Popcorners chips are just like popped. They're like rice cakes in different shapes. So they all grabbed those. So that's what everyone is having for a morning snack. So for lunch today, the kids are having a spinach salad with balsamic and then 2 pieces of leftover pizza that they made last night. These are the Boboli mini crust from Costco, so it's like semi-homemade. Some of them have pineapple and olives on them, but this is just leftovers, so we're just reheating that for a quick and easy lunch for our homeschool day. So that's what they're having for lunch. Right, so now comes the time for the afternoon snack, and you might be wondering, organic bean and cheese burrito. These are the Lily Bees ones from Costco. They have really good ingredients. I know that that seems like a really huge snack, but she has soccer practice, and so she will not be eating dinner until about 7:30. So she likes to have a good hearty snack in the afternoon. So that's what she's having. Same goes for him. He's having these Belvita like breakfast energy type cookies, and then a pear that he just rinsed off himself because he also has sports and doesn't eat dinner until afterwards. And the other 2, what are you gonna have for a snack?
Probably a Cliff Bar.
A Cliff Bar? Okay. So Landon wants to have a Cliff Bar, so we'll just go ahead and grab that for him. So these are the snacks that my younger 2 will have. So that's the afternoon snack. So here is what my kids are having for dinner. We've got some like breaded baked chicken, some mashed sweet potatoes, and some roasted green beans. So that's what everyone in the whole family is having, and my kids eat no differently. So that is what they're having for dinner. And that is usually when we cut off the eating for the day. We don't really do dessert ever unless it's a special occasion. If they are hungry and absolutely desperate, I will offer them like a yogurt smoothie before bed, or something like a piece of fruit or a string cheese. Those are usually my go-to options. So this is what my kids are having for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what my kids eat in a day. I hope it just shows you just the simplicity of kids eating good, wholesome foods, a variety of foods, and I don't know, just how we do it. So you guys have always asked to see, what do my kids eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? It's obviously different every day, but today gives you just a good idea of the kinds of things that they enjoy, that I feel good about them eating. So that is gonna be it for this video. If you wanna see another one of these, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing this, and if you have any questions, post them down in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.